Alrighty guys, today I want to do a quick how-to video. This is how to reset your maintenance minder on a 2017 Subaru Forester. This is specific to the vehicle with this little switch here. Essentially every time you have your car serviced or if you do your work yourself, you'll have to reset the system. Now there's a couple of cool functions and I'll go over that with you here in just a minute, but let's go ahead and kind of go over everything. So obviously you want the car in park and you want it, I always like it running, that way they don't run the battery down. Once you have the car in park and running, you'll see the screen up there. That's going to be the screen we're going to be focusing on at the center of the dash, and we're going to be using this button here. That setting there is the instant fuel economy. He's also got his temperature and his clock set up, and what we're going to do is we're going to use this button here to cycle through the screens. You'll see a number of screens of how your all-wheel drive is working, your fuel economy, your tripometer, average fuel economy, all that good stuff there. Eventually you'll get to this one here where it says press and hold enter button to access the different settings. So you go ahead and press that button in. Now you press and hold it for about 4 seconds. Then the screen comes up with the different settings you can change. The first one is the time and day. That's where you change your clock settings. You can change your display settings, screen settings, and if you go down to the fourth one using the arrow key here, it comes up maintenance. You press and hold that again. Once this screen comes up, you can individually reset what services you performed, which is kind of cool. You can also see the maintenance schedule, and you can actually set your own schedule, which is cool. So obviously if we did the oil change, you could set a notification date, and that'll tell you when it'll come back on. As you can see, this gentleman has 517 miles before the oil change is due. He did not set a date, but that's okay. So that's how you can change that and reset it. Obviously you just go through each screen using the arrow key. You can enter it in and start changing dates. You can also go down here and change the miles of how many miles you want before the light comes on. Then you just go down to set using this button here, press that in, and it'll reset it for you. Now a couple of cool features, I'll go back to the main menu here. You can have your own maintenance schedule. Again, that's to set it, to have your own settings. If you keep going down, you can actually turn this off. So a lot of facilities actually use the window sticker up in the corner left of the window. If you go by that, you can just turn this system off. So you can just click it and then hit off, and that'll turn it off completely. Hit set, and now you can just go by the window sticker or whatever you feel more comfortable going with. Obviously you can go down to clear all settings, and lastly, to go back to the main menu there of what settings you can change, you just go back. You have driving histories, car settings, you can initialize certain features. That's more or less for technicians, and then you can go back and you're back to your normal settings. So hopefully this is a quick and easy guide of how to reset the maintenance schedule or set your own maintenance schedule for your Subaru Forester. Hope this helped you guys out, and if you like this video, please like and share, and I will do more of these videos. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.